Have you ever wondered just how powerful your brain really is? The human brain might only weigh about 3 pounds, but it controls everything we think, feel, and do. It's made up of nearly 86 billion neurons, each firing tiny electrical signals that allow us to move, learn, and imagine. Now here's the crazy part. Scientists believe we use our whole brain, but never all at once. Different parts light up for different tasks, like memory, vision, or problem solving. When you learn something new, your brain literally rewires itself. This ability, called neuroplasticity, is the reason we can adapt, pick up new skills, and even recover from injuries. And your brain is fast, really fast. A single thought can travel between neurons at speeds up to 250 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car. Even when you're resting, your brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. But the brain isn't just about speed, it's about mystery. For example, we still don't fully understand consciousness. How does the brain create the experience of you? Some scientists think it emerges from complex patterns of neuron activity, while others believe we haven't even scratched the surface of how awareness truly works. Here's something even more fascinating. Your brain can shape your body. The placebo effect proves that simply believing in a treatment can cause real physical changes, powered by the mind itself. And with meditation or focus, brain scans show that people can actually rewire stress and improve memory. Every day, scientists are uncovering more about this incredible organ. Some predict that one day, we might be able to upload memories, boost intelligence with brain-computer interfaces, or even share thoughts directly between people. Imagine a future where communication doesn't need words, just brain signals. Your brain is the most advanced machine in the known universe, and it's sitting right inside your head. So the next time you're learning, creating, or just daydreaming, remember, you're carrying around one of nature's greatest wonders.